Let's create an indoor terrarium using this glass container from Ferrisland. We did this with my daughter and it was a fun activity to do together. We put some rocks on the bottom of this container that I got outside, and then we put a protective sheet on top of them so the soil does not sink into the rocks. Then we added a thin layer of charcoal, and charcoal is great for keeping moisture in the container and fighting any kind of mold or bacteria. Then we added organic soil that does not have the white pieces, and I think it's better for the plants. And then we planted a few succulents that I got at the store. And Vera liked decorating the terrarium with seashells and gems. I think that was her favorite part. We had a lot of fun doing it together, and I'm inspired to do some more. So definitely check out these glass containers from Ferrisland on Amazon and create your own terrarium.